Sabi na ako dadalhin.
Veterans lang.
Dadalhin.
We're going to bring it to veterans.
I want to read it. Where is it?
Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Sinong kasama ko doon?
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
Hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John Vic Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Zoraida Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG John Vic Rimulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't believe in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness. Dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni VP.
Pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman naiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Gold.
Lalain. Tira. Abangin nyo, guys.